Did you know the words that you speak make only 7% of your total communication? Also, most successful people in the world are great communicators. India's largest speaking skills competition is underway. If you are a beginner, there is a lot to learn over here. But if you are good with communication skills, I can assure you the competition that you are going to see is going to be like never before. Friends, presenting you When I Speak, India's largest speaking skills competition. Grab this opportunity to be a part of one of the largest workshops, introduction rounds, group discussion, extempore, and most exciting of all, the finale debate. It will be exciting to see you in the top 10. So register now, because you can change the world only when you speak.